Welcome to Cambridge Language Institute. This is Ansar Ahmed and today's video I am going to talk about grade 10 chemistry chapter number 3rd. Topic is on page number 53. There is a chart which explain that carbon atom name, general formula, molecular formula, condensed formula, structure formula. So in this video I am going to explain this chart within details. So now let's discuss it. The first we have that if we have number of carbon atom is 1, then how can we give name? If there is a 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And also that we will talk about that general formula for alkane, molecular formula for alkane, condensed formula for alkane, and as well as structure formula for alkane. Now let's talk about the first one. If we have number of carbon atom, if we have 1, if number of carbon we have 1, that is called 1. So as we know that we need prefixes to give name to alkane. For carbon number 1 we give prefix is called meth. We have to remember that carbon number 1 we call meth, and as we know that we also need A and E, that is called suffix, to add with a prefix. So we can give a name to alkane, that is called methane. For carbon number 1 we called methane. So what will be the name of? We can call the methane, that is called methane. That is called methane. Now let's talk about that general formula. So as we know that general formula for alkane is Cn. N mean number of carbons, H2 mean hydrogen 2, and N mean number of carbon plus 2, molecular formula, condensed formula, and structure formula. Let's talk about one by one, and also we will discuss that how we can change from one form to another. Now general formula for methane will be the number of carbon, so we have that is called C, and C that is 1, so mostly we do not write 1 and just we ignore it. And if we talk about that H, so we have how much? We have H, that is called we call 2, so we can write there 2, and we have N, so we can use multiply by 1 and plus 2. This is the general formula for methane. Now let's talk about that molecular formula. So as we know that 2 ones are 2 plus 2, 4. So and how many carbon we have? 1. So we cannot write 1, just we can write there H, and then we can write 4. So this is the molecular formula for methane. Now let's talk about condensed formula. So condensed formula for methane is the same, because there is no option of that. That is called CH4. Now if we talk about that structure formula, so as we know that alkane has a single covalent bond. So we can just write that carbon, and as we know that carbon has 4 electrons, we can call that a tetravalent. So it attach one carbon on one side, hydrogens another, and also that hydrogen and also that hydrogen. So as we know that hydrogen need 1 electron, and also that carbon share 1 electron with the hydrogens. So hydrogen duplet is completed, and also that carbon share 1 electron with the hydrogens, another electron, and make a single covalent bond. So hydrogens duplet is also completed, and carbon octet is also completed. Now let's talk about for carbon number 2. If we talk about carbon number 2, so we give another prefix, that is called eth. That is called the eth. And as we know that for alkane we need that suffix A and E, so always we have to add it that A and E. That is called A and E. So now we can write that ethane. What is the pronunciation is? That is called ethane. We can write here ethane. Now if we talk about the general formula, so only number of carbon is increased from 1 to 2. So we can write there C, that is called 2, and also that H we have, that is basically called 2, plus what we need? Number of carbon is 2, so we can write there 2 plus 2. What we can write here? 2 plus 2. So 2 2s are 4 plus 2, 6. So number of carbon is 2, and H, that is basically called 6. What we call the 6. Now if we talk about that the structure formula, what we talk about first of all, and from structure formula we can construct that condensed formula. So we have two carbon, carbon number 1 and also that carbon number 1. So as you know that a terminal carbon we always attach three hydrogen, hydrogen and also that hydrogens. So now, so we say that the first 1, 2, 3, so we can write that H3 are attached with a hydrogen. Then carbon has a single bond, that is with a carbon. So we can write there C and then finally H3. So this is the condensed formula for ethane. Now let's talk about probe. Yani we can call probe. And probe is a prefix like we can call probe. We can call another, and as we know that we need to add ane because of alkane, so we can say propane. What is this? This is called propane for carbon number 3. So we can write there for carbon number 3, that is called 3. And what will be the name? That is called propane. That is called propane. And what will be the general formula? Just to increase C, so we have to write 3, and H, we need a 2 multiplied by number of carbon is 3. So we can write only 3 and plus 2. Now if we talk about molecular formula, so 2 3s are 6 and plus 2. So we can write there C3 and also we can write that H, that is called 8. Now if we talk about that condensed formula, so I always told you that you can construct condensed formula from structure formula. First try to draw the structure formula, then you can draw that condensed formula. So as you know that number of carbon is 3, so I can just write carbon 1, carbon 2 and carbon 3, and always attach 3 hydrogen and a terminal carbon. Let's see, carbon 1, so we can hydrogen, we can attach hydrogens, we can also attach hydrogens, and also that hydrogen, and also that hydrogen, and also that here hydrogen, and one is remaining, we can draw here H and also that H. So this is structure formula for propane. So we can say here like H3, that is called H3C, and then at the middle we have CH2, so we can draw here CH2, and also that C, so we have CH3, that is called CH3. Now next, if we talk about that carbon number 4, the more we increase carbon, the more homologous series will be formed. Let's talk about that butane, what we call here, so we can just erase it here, and let's talk about for carbon number 4. So we have to remember that is called but. But is actually the prefix for carbon number 4. At the end we need to add, that is called ane. So we can say that butane, that is called a butane, and butane is basically called that is called butane. Butane for carbon number 4 is called butane. Now let's increase the carbon. So number of carbon will be 4, H, that is called 2 multiplied by 4 plus 2. So now let's make that molecular formula. So we have that 2 4s are 8 and 2. So we get that 10. C4 and H, that is called 10. Now if you want to again construct that condensed formula, so we need that structure formula first. So let's talk about that first structure formula. So first we have 4 carbon, carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 4, and always attach 4 carbon, 3 hydrogen and a terminal carbon. This is called, and also we can attach hydrogen. We can attach hydrogen here, hydrogen, and also that hydrogen, and also that hydrogen, and also that hydrogen here, hydrogens. So now we can say that H3, that is called H3C. Then we have that leave it, just write there CH3, that is called CH3, and then 2 are remaining at the middle, which has 2 hydrogen, so 1 and 2, so we can write there CH2, but we need a bracket as well because that is number is what? That is a number and 2, so we can just write there 2 outside the bracket. So that will be condensed formula for that is called butane. Now if we talk about that pentane, so we have to remember that pent prefix. What is the prefix? We have to remember that pent. For carbon number 9 we need pent, and pent is the prefix for carbon number 5. At the end we need to add a ane, so we can add, that is called pentane. We can add a pentane, so we can write for carbon number 5 is called the pentane, that is called the pentane. Now if we talk about that General formula, so we can write carbon number 5. Let's see, we have C, so we can write 5, H, that is called 2, multiply by 5 plus 2. So now 5 2s are 10 and 10 plus 12. So we can write their carbon, that is called 5, and hydrogen, that is about 12. Now if you want to draw the structure formula, so that is about we can draw simply that we need to draw 5 carbon, like I said, that carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3, carbon 4, carbon 5, and a terminal always 5 hydrogen, and also that hydrogen, and also that hydrogen. Here also you need to draw hydrogen, and also that hydrogens, and carbon, this is called 2, and also that here we can draw here carbon, hydrogens, and hydrogen here. Now if you want to construct that condensed formula, so first of all we have to write that H3C, and then also that we write that CH3, because then a terminal, and now we have to count it in the middle, 1 2 3 are a middle, so we have to write there CH2, that is called CH2 in a box, in a bracket, we need to take out that, write there 3. So that will be what? That will be condensed formula for pentane. Now if we talk about that hexane, hex, we have to remember the word hex. So and hex is basically used for carbon number 6, HEX, hex. And hex is for what we use? Hex we use for that carbon number 6. And as you know that alkane we add ANE, so we have to just add ANE. Let's talk about here. For carbon number 6, what we need, name will be hexane. That is called hexane. And if we talk about that general formula, so as we know that carbon C, so we have to write that H, that is called 6, and then we need that H2 multiply number of carbon is 6 plus 2. Clear? So what will be there? 6 2s are 12 and 2 14, and number of carbon is 6. So we can write number of carbon is 6 while H is equal to how much? That is called the H, we got 14. Now again we need to draw that structure formula for it. So how we can draw the structure formula for it? It's simply we can draw that how many carbon? We need to draw 6 carbon. Carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And also in a terminal carbon we need to attach hydrogens, and also that hydrogens. Here we also need to draw hydrogen, and also that hydrogens. Here we have only one hydrogen. Here also one, and also that 1, and also 1, and 1, and 1. So now if you want to write the condensed formula, you can write very easily. Let's see. For example, first of all you have to write H, that is called 3 carbon, and then write always CH3 first, then write there CH2. Now how many are there in the middle? 1, like for example 1 2 3 4. So you can write there outside 4. What you can write? You can write outside 4. And if you want to talk about that carbon number 7, so we have to remember that Hep, that is called we can remember that is called Hep. What we called that is called Hept. For 7 we use Hept, and as we know that for alkane we have to add ANE, so for the 7 we can add then heptane. What is the formula? So we have to add the heptane, and we can write here that carbon 7 is, what is the name? Heptane, that is called the heptane. And what can be a general formula? So we can write their carbon, number of carbon is 7H, we have 2 multiply by 7 plus 2. So how we can make molecular formula? Remember it, C7 H2s are means 7 2 7 multiplied by 2 14 and 2 16. So H number of we can got 16, and as we know that how to draw that condensed formula. So first of all you have to draw the structure formula. From the structure formula you can get the best condensed formula. So we need to draw how many carbon now? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and we need to draw 7 3 and 7. So in a terminal carbon attach always 1 2, and also attach, and also that you need to attach then in terminal carbon hydrogen 1, and also that hydrogen 1, and also that you can draw here hydrogen 1, and also that hydrogen 1, and also that 1, and also that 1, and after it you can draw here 1 and also that 1. Now how to write condensed formula for heptane? Very simple. Let's see. First of all we have to write that H, that is called H3, and also the end we write to that H3. Again remove the terminal carbon. This should be removed, and also this should be removed as well. Like for example, we can avoid it. And then what we have to write there, because in a center carbon 2 hydrogens are taken, so we can write here CH2 in a box and in a bracket. So count it, 1 2 3 4 5. So we can take out 5 inside here. That will be the condensed formula for a heptane. Now if we talk about that another for carbon number 8, so we can write the oct. At the end, what we need only A and E, that is called for octane. Carbon number 8, what we need, that is called octane. So we can write for carbon number 8, that is called the octane, that is called here octane. And as you know that, what will be the formula? So we can draw simply 7, then we need to draw 8, and then hydrogen, that is called 2 multiplied by 8 plus 2. So now 2 8s are, so we get 16 plus 18. So carbon, number of carbon is 8, hydrogen is 18. So how to draw? Again we have to go for the structure formula. Now for a structure formula we need to draw if we draw structure formula, so we can write condensed formula from that very easy. Let's see how many carbons are required. Round about 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and we all can write there 8. So 4 and 4. So in a terminal carbon you have to attach 3 hydrogens. Let's draw. This is called hydrogen 1, and also this is called hydrogen 1. The same we can draw here hydrogens, and also that hydrogen, and also 1, and also hydrogen, and also we can draw here hydrogen, and hydrogen, and down we can write here hydrogen, and also we can draw hydrogen, and also that hydrogen. So now let's talk about here that 18 hydrogen, 8 carbon, exactly it is R carbon, you can count it here. So first of all, I told you that you write the H3C, it is always, CH3 is always because in terminal, and then you have to write CH2 at the middle in a box. Count it. Beside this should be out of that, and now how many CH2 we have? That is called 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we can write here that is called 6. So now this is the condensed formula for what that is called octane. Now if we talk about for that 9, so we need to remember that known, yani no name. What we call known is we have to remember the one known, and we can say A and E is the required for 9. So we can write no name. What we need? No name. We can write there 9. We can write 9, and then what we required here, that is write no name. That is called no name. N-A-N-E, no name. And if we talk about for that general formula, we need C, and that is called 9H2 multiplied by 9 plus 2. So 9 2s are 18 plus 2, 20, and number of carbon is 9, and H, that is about 20. So we can write 20. And as you know that how to draw condensed formula, first of all we have to draw that structure formula, we can get very easily. So let's talk about that one also, that how we can draw. So let's see. First of all we need to draw 9 carbons. So I say that this is carbon 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and we can also draw here, that is called 4 5 6 7 8 9. It's become 9. And as you know that a terminal carbon we have to draw hydrogen, and also that hydrogen. So we can draw simply, and one hydrogen here, one hydrogen here, and also that hydrogen here, and this one is also hydrogen. We can draw simply hydrogen, and here hydrogen also, and hydrogen as well. So now how we can draw the condensed formula? First of all we have to write there H3, very simple, and then carbon, and then CH3 here, and also that what we need to draw CH2 because of what? Because of that carbon attached with the center, 2 hydrogens are there, and then numbering. Beside this we can number it like here, and also that we can just here. So we say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we have to draw here how much? We have to write there bracket and write there 7. And if we talk about for that carbon number 10, so we have prefix that is called dic. We have the prefix is called dic, D-E-C, yani dic. And as you know that for alkane we have to write there A near the end, so we can write here like here. And for carbon 10 we can write here carbon 10, the name is called dic, that is called dicane. that is called decane. And what will be the formula? So as we know that carbon, number of carbon is 10, and also that H, that is called 2 multiplied by 10 plus 2, that is called 2. And also that we have to draw here, so 10 twos are 20 plus 22, so number of carbon is 10 and H, that is called 22. Now as you know that if you want to draw that condensed formula, first of all we have to talk about that structure formula. So let's again draw it there. Carbon 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, 3 4, and we can also draw here carbon and carbon as well. So number of carbon is 10, and also we can draw here hydrogen here, hydrogen, and also hydrogen, 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 and also that hydrogen, and also that hydrogen. Next one is also that hydrogen, hydrogen, and this one is called hydrogen here, hydrogen, yes, hydrogen, 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 and this is called hydrogen here. And also we can draw here hydrogen, H, and it's also called hydrogen here, and here also that hydrogen. So if you want to give that condensed formula, so first of all, what is simple method? The simple method is that first write there, if you write like a CH3, so it is not considered right. Try to write first of all H3, that is called H3, and then write C, and then try to write that CH3. You can write here that is called CH3, and after CH3, as we know that on a carbon, second carbon, we have 2 hydrogen, so we have to write that CH2, and also that bracket we need, and after a bracket we have to count it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so we can write there that is called 8, that is called 8. So we already draw the condensed formula for carbon number 10 as well. So if we see that basically all, so these hydrocarbons, especially alkane, they make a series, and this series we call homologous series. So that's the end of this video, and next video we will discuss that next lecture is especially, which is the most important lecture, that is about nomenclature of organic chemistry. That's end of video.